I just got my box of the nursing supplements that I ordered, and I chose Mama's Select because they've got a very long line of organic products that help promote milk production in nursing moms, as well as having their items, they're all made in the United States. This one is the Nursing Lactation Plus, and it contains 60 caplets. It includes fenugreek, fennel seed powder, blessed thistle, and marshmallow root powder. Usually we, as nursing moms, have tried the fenugreek teas and whatnot, but I like this one because it's got everything all smushed together, so it's pretty good for just a standard supplement. I'll go ahead and open this. It's very nicely packaged, cotton balls included, and these capsules are approximately this size. And I also like this product because the company has been certified as a good manufacturing production company, so not only is it organic, but it's produced consistently, and it's made in the United States. So you buy local, you get local. I have to say I'm very excited to use this product.